Hello, what we have here is a repaired 71 through 73 Cadillac original OEM AM FM stereo. I have it on the bench. I just completed it. I'm running a tape. The tape's gonna either go to the next track or to the next song. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate some features: volume, up and down, tone. I don't have back speakers, but I can demonstrate fader. Let's see what else. So now to eject, I just pull this. And it went to AM. I'm inside a garage. AM's no good around here. So the AM FM slider. Push buttons all work. They're all set on stations.
Devastating for Joe Biden.
If I put the 8-track back in it, it'll switch back to 8-track. Everything looks good. I've tested everything. I've got everything working. My name is George Borrelli. I've repaired a lot of these radios.